So today we will see how simple present tense and simple past tense are used with singular noun and pronoun. By now you must have understood what are singular nouns. Singular nouns could be one place, one name, one thing. Plural noun could be many names together, many places together, many things together. Like mountains are covered with snow. So here I am using a plural noun. Mountains are covered with snow. And are is a verb here. The root verb of are is be. Okay. Now we are using are. Why are we using are? We are using are because they are plural. Which are plural? Mountains. Similarly, if I will talk about winter season, because today is 1st March, it is summer season, now snow will start melting. But if I would have talked about winter season, then I would have said mountains were covered with snow. Alright. So similarly, for singular pronoun also, we use the root verb be with its form as is. If I talk about one single mountain, then I will say the mountain is covered with snow, or a mountain is covered with snow. When I say the mountain is covered with snow, then I mean to say that the mountain was described earlier. We know about that mountain. But when I say a mountain is covered with snow, that means I am generalizing that it could be any mountain. So this is how we use a and the. When to use the and when to use a, we use the before the noun or pronoun which has been talked about previously. Example, name a mountain in the Himalayan region. Say Kanchenjunga. Okay. Kanchenjunga is covered with snow. Here E has come from the verb be. It has its root at be. It has its root at be.
Not coming down. Not in the brain.
So we are discussing about use of simple present tense and simple past tense. So if we are seeing a mountain which is covered with a snow currently, and we know that Kanchenjunga is a known mountain to us, then we will say Kanchenjunga is covered with snow. Now if I use a pronoun for this, then I will not write a. For this I will not write a mountain. I will not write a mountain is covered with snow, because I have already mentioned that the mountain is Kanchenjunga. If there is a previous mention of the noun, then we will not use a, but we will use the. The mountain is one of the highest mountains. The mountain is one of the highest mountains. Here also the verb is, but these are not action verbs. It shows the state. It shows the condition. Alright. So is a verb which does not show any action. It shows the state. Like he is a good boy. So here is means to be. Alright, to be. So to be means it is a state that you are there. Goodness is there in him. So he is a good boy. Goodness is there in him. So he is a good boy. So is a verb which is not an action verb. It talks about state. What type of boy you are. What type of mountain is that? Alright. So is a very versatile or commonly used verb which is not an action verb. Alright. It does not talk about any action. Now, this is the difference between a and the. So the is used when we name it. Now if I generalize that mountains dash is slash are covered with snow. Mountains is or are covered with snow in winter season. So this is a truth. This is a truth. So this truth always remains. It will never change. That in winters mountains will be covered with snow. So in this case, if I am saying mountains, then what is the correct form of the verb which I will use? Are. So you have to be very conscious while you are talking. Mountains are covered with snow. Now see how the tense changes. How the tense will require to be changed. Now I will change the situation. I will change the situation and you will see that the usage of the verb will change. Like, I will write here, last year in the month of December. Last year in the winter break, rather I can write, last year in the winter break, last year I dash go is the verb. You have to use the right form here. Last year I dash to Shimla and there all mountains dash. Root verb is be. Covered with snow. Now if you have understood the usage, now I am changing the time frame. Last year. Last year means past. So in that case, I will not use go. What I will use? Went. Who will come and write went here? Come out. Let me make a sequence so that everybody gets opportunity. Fill up the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Last year I went. Last year in the winter break I dash went to Shimla and there all mountains. Yes, this is the mistake, common mistake. I wanted to just project this. Very good, sit down. This is the common mistake. See, this is what we say, that you keep on swiping tenses. Here you wrote went. Why did you write are? What is the past form of are? What is the past form of are? Yes? Were. Please write down. Write down. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. Similarly, make 5 sentences using be as the root verb, in simple present tense, and write 5 sentences in simple past tense using be as the root verb, but with singular noun and with plural noun also, so that you are able to use is, am, are, were, is, am, were, was, were. Okay. So these things should be used. So make two columns. One column will be for simple present tense. Another column will be simple past tense. And the verb which you will use is be. Okay, and the various form of be in simple present tense will be is, am, are. And in past tense was, were. That's it. Isn't it? That means you will make how many sentences? 5 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 5 sentences and then ma'am will check your notebook.